Does your ring need some extra love and care? Welcome to Thorum. I'm Caleb. Today, let's talk about our ring care kit. Step 1. Wash your ring with soap and water. You can use any soap of your choosing. As long as it removes the oil, it's not going to harm the ring. Make sure you dry your ring thoroughly. Step 2. Open your Thorum Care Kit. We have a container of organic beeswax and paste wax, and also a microfiber towel. What you're going to want to do is grab a dime-sized portion of paste wax and beeswax and rub it in to the entirety of your ring. Then let it sit for potentially 30 seconds to a minute and wipe it off clean and buff it out with your microfiber towel. This will keep your ring healthy and clean and looking as good as new for years to come. As always, if you ever have any questions, reach out to us at contact@thorum.com. Thanks for stopping by.